What the fuck? Man, these niggas is flexing with this shit. Fucking Yeezys? Frags? Get the fuck out of here! Fuck no! What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Tony D2 Wild, checking in once again with the boy D-Money. We are on a Mythbusters hunt today, going to all the local Marshalls in downtown Atlanta. We picked 5 Marshalls to go hit up today, and we're trying to find some motherfucking fragments, Don C's, and anything that's limited. Or we're trying to actually see if this shit is all fake. Come with us on the journey today as we go down in downtown Atlanta to all the local Marshalls and see if we can get anything. See you guys on this episode of Tony D2 Wild Mythbusters. Shut the fuck up. Alright guys, so our first stop at Marshall's is down at North DeKalb Mall. That is one of the lists that we're gonna hit up first, and we're pretty sure this is a quick L, but
yeah, this is
we gotta do what we gotta do, man. And we might even hit some traffic because of the time. I should have been up a little bit earlier doing this, but it's all good, it's all gravy.
Mama told me, not to sell word. Mama 17.5, same color t-shirt, white. Mama told me, not to sell word. Mama 17.5, same color t-shirt.
Dead fucking mall in America.
You gotta let me.
One store left.
You gotta let me start recording first, but it's all good. We up at Marshall's now. I'm gonna make a quick stop at the post office to pick up some things once we get done with this, but it's Marshall's.
Young nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Whoa, chemo, sabit, chopper, aiming, inch noggin.
Them LA's, man, these are fake ass chucks. Do you know what these are? Don't look, he cheated.
What do you mean?
Hirachis.
I already knew that.
With the LA colorway though. LA Hirachis. Tubulars.
Oh, is it like a high tubular? Is that what it is?
No, this is how tubulars look.
Damn, be that fucking high, man.
Yeah, LeBron Soldier, Jordan, Superfly, all this.
Levi's, dog. You know what I'm saying?
That's you?
Yeah, I mean, I rock the Levi's. I don't care.
Oh, damn. I thought you were 10 for life.
I am, but I rock the Levi's from 40.
All I want is cottage, roll up, cigar full of broccoli, cookie.
I seen these other time. These look kind of crazy. Fuck.
It's
like a mental shoe. If your foot was crazy,
yeah,
you put this on your foot so it'd be not crazy.
What the fuck is this? What is this supposed to? Who does this?
Nike.
Well, yeah, but
it's a straight jacket for shoes.
But whose shoe is this?
I don't know. These are still here. These are probably my favorite shoe here. Oh, they had the black one. Last time I seen the white one. These are the Pippins. No, you didn't. Stop saying yeah like you know. This is pimping, man. Pippin. 50 bucks. 7.5. I can't fit though. Use them crocodile. Killer crocodile on my back porch.
Those are them James
Under Armour
right
too.
There. Those are James shoes.
Oh, these the shoes everybody was. These are shoes everybody keep talking about right here, bro. These are some Kyrie's. They're limited though. Everybody keep talking about these shits.
These are limited Kyrie?
Yeah.
Oh damn, them bitches is dope though. I like this. I like the little patches.
They only got 6.5 though.
Why does it say JBY on it? It is a Kyrie Irving though.
How much?
50.
50. Well, I guess we started off with a little bit of luck, but they're not at my size. They at 6.5. You want to come by and scoop them up at North DeKalb, feel free. 50 bucks. Yeah, these are the All-Star Kyrie 2s. I did not know. So as you can see, guys, we just left North DeKalb Mall. And we spotted well, yeah, we're still here. But we just spotted a pair of Kyrie 2 All-Stars. We're getting close. We're getting really, really close. We're gonna figure out if this is a myth or not. Is Marshall lying to us? We'll find out.
No check, one off cash, nigga. I don't do deposits. Bitches cross the border, nigga. Bitches from the tropics. I'ma get that bag, nigga. Ain't no doubt about it. Yeah, I'ma feed my family, nigga. Ain't no way around it. Family, ain't gon' never let up, nigga. Gossip.
I think this is from Cash Nasty. Alright guys, so we're inside of the Creators Lab right now, trying to figure out where the next Marshalls we're gonna hit up at. Now I know one that's over off by Lenox, so we might go swing by that, but I'm not too sure yet. We're gonna look up on my phone and see. All right, guys, so we're going down to the Marshalls over on Buford Highway. Let's get it.
Hey, yo, what the fuck is up, you buttercup? Park in that blunt, smoking suicide, bloody blood. Pussy boy, you talking shit for Twitter. It ain't not enough. How these pussy niggas moving day to day, I had enough.
All right, guys, so for our second mission, we are on Marshalls over on Buford Highway. Now, Buford Highway in Atlanta is known as Little Mexico. Not the Little Mexico that Black Migo Gang and Future and them are talking about. But this is like literally like Little Mexico. Like a lot of Hispanic population resides here that lives in Atlanta. So we might be seeing things like soccer cleats and different things. Just trust me. Just watch and see. But we're gonna walk in here and see what we can get our hands on. Let's go.
With that fucking blade, bitch, I steal a face. Dick on that fucking gun, I love it right. Fuck all that fucking shit, do that shit for fun. Fuck around with these niggas, ayy. Step up body, fuck, don't you?
God damn.
Shit. That's 19 Uggs.
Oh, these are Uggs? Whoever bought this for their girl, got a, what's that word? She's a huge bitch.
That's a huge bitch.
God damn. Put my fucking shoe in there. What size is that? I can't tell. 80 bucks. Wait, oh.
It's in it.
18. I don't think he could fit this, bro.
Hell no.
Damn. Damn, they only got big sizes. 50 bucks. They got 9.5. Too big for me though.
Yeah, little.
I don't know what the hell these are.
Yeah.
Some nice polo boots, but that's a couple years ago. 09. Yeah, nothing in here. Zapdos. A couple years ago, people would have been going crazy over these. So I decided just to look at some of their clothing real quick. That's the OG Adidas hoodie. That's all the white kids Adidas hoodie right there. Slim Straight. I don't know. It's a weak aisle. All right.
On zapatos.
Zapatos? No zapatos, man. Hey, but yeah, that was an L. That was an L. Myth busted.
That's 2 down. Yeah.
Myth busted. All right, guys. Now we are at another Marshalls. And that's just more of a upper class Marshalls, I feel like. So we will see what's going on. We're near Lenox Mall area, so let's see what we can find.
You know, young rich niggas. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking on cooking the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger.
Uh-oh. Team Jordan. It's the first pair. No, this is a nice pair.
The OG Team Jordan.
Yeah, OG retro Team Jordan, size 10. How much is it working for that tab from? $36.
One bunch.
Def before.
Jordan.
Dishonor, KD.
Same shit from the other one.
Yeah. Fuck are these? These are crazy.
Boy, they got this.
That's a fucking watermelon color. Got some Coach here for your shorty. 43 bucks. You make your shorty feel good about herself. You said what?
I'm about to say it's a sample jacket in there.
Where? Oh, heat alert. Heat alert.
80 bucks for the North Face? That's like a real jacket though. Easy.
I'm getting this.
I would. They got a pocket on the inside too? Yep.
The trigger, nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue.
The boy done bought him some shit, I guess. You know, I don't have no money to waste, no time to waste. He trying to make me buy a ticket to go to London, so that's how we gonna kick shit. And that boy done bought him a bag. He got that bag of treats.
All right, guys, so we just left this Marshalls, and I got a really nice North Face jacket. You know, I can't even deny that. But we're looking for shoes today. And even though I went in there, got that nice jacket, fuck, I keep fucking.
This myth has been fucking busted.
At this Marshalls. Let's go to the next one. Let's get it.
We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
All right, guys, so we at this next Marshalls. We over downtown by Lenox Mall. This might be the best one, hopefully.
That's where the LA is too?
Oh, LA Fitness, but yeah, so we're gonna go here and see what's up.
Standing in the kitchen with a bitch, whipping up bread. Look at my ring like 6. Standing in the kitchen with a bitch, whipping up bread. Look at my ring like 6. It rings. 6 rings. Yeah, 6 rings. Yeah, hey, 6 rings. Yeah.
Steez is what I'm
Spit.
supposed to say.
It's a Spizikes.
This is not a Spizike.
Yeah, it is.
It's a creepy one?
Yeah, look
Why
at
is it
look at the
creepy
thing
one?
on there. It's his face.
Yeah, why?
Would you wear these, David?
Nah, that's weird.
Death before dishonor. Got some KD 7s, KD 7s, some Sketcher Ultra Boost.
Sketcher Ultra Boost? What?
Those are the lifestyle ones.
Hey, these bitches is weird though.
You like those?
They're
You
weird.
buy them for your birthday?
No.
They probably get these all from Nike Linux. That's why they got so many. Wanted to get blood or crib, pick your decision. I swear they used to have like a sample of this or something. Maybe like samples of these, or like with the name on there, some shit. Bitch, clean though. Fucking corduroy jacket. It's clean as fuck. The fuck. They got the Jordan boots, Future Butte boots. That's crazy. Alright guys, so that was the best one so far. Shoe wise. I had tons of shoes. Some crazy little shit, but still nothing crazy, but it is what it is. David, honestly, for this one, it's plausible. That's the one that is
It could happen. There could be something.
It's plausible.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so for the final Marshalls, we're headed basically the same right down the street, which I never heard of this one, so hopefully there's a Marshalls there, but let's go ahead and head down the street and see this Marshalls is here. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are at the final Marshalls right here, downtown in Buckhead. Marshalls, you haven't been showing it. I'm not believing some of you guys out there with these fragments and Don C's. I'm not believing it. Start taking videos. Stop taking these fucking pictures. Take some videos. You got a cell phone. Don't lie. You got some LeBron. Are these the LeBron? These are the LeBron All-Star joints, I think. Size 8 though. Ooh. Some G-Sticks. What's the retail on these? These bitches big. Size 13. Straight on that. GP 20. Gary Payton. This one's dope. 40 bucks. It's the vest version. Puma windbreaker. But it's a little too basic. This Pendleton vest is dope though. I wish it was like a bomber. That Jordan jacket actually flips out. But it's too big for me. It looks too puffy. Plus, sample makes it better. Alright guys, that might have been the closest to one of the best. That might be first, second place for Marshalls, but we'll leave it at plausible. Alright guys, so after doing this experimental video here, we were calling that a couple of these places were plausible and some of them were busted. After doing numerous searches, all we came back home with was a North Face jacket, which is dope though. I do fuck with this stuff. Swagged up on you, fuck nigga. But anyways guys, I hate to say it, but in Atlanta, the Marshall myth, it's busted. But alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up and like this video, and make sure you comment down below if you'd like to see more thrifting vids or Marshall vids or Ross vids or anything like this. Make sure to leave a comment down below and hit a like button. Every like, donate $1 to a D-Money white tee donation, because he has run out of white tees lately, so he needs more white tees. So hit that thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and thank you guys for all the love and support. It's your boy Tony D2 Wild. I'm checking in. I'm checking out. Peace. Bye.
I'm always hanging with shooters. Might be posted somewhere secluded. Still be playing with pots and pans. Call me Quavo Ratatouille. Run with that set, call me Booby. When I'm on stage, show me boobies. Ice on my neck on the coolest. How about the suicide with the ooze? I pull up, I hop out with all of the drugs.